What's good, y'all? I see a setup. I see that. Just came down. Oh yeah, I'm in that. I'm in that. I'm in that. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Love to see that. SPX been showing out lately. Mm. Let's go. Mm-hmm. Keep going. Yeah, it looks like the market is giving some better price action. I'm gonna want to target that little gap right there on the 1 hour. I'm gonna try my best to, but I'm really going for low of day. Come on, y'all. Flush it. And I think I seen Nas having the same setup. Yup. A supply. Yup, yup. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is the price action I love. Look at that. Come up, go down, come up, broke structure, created a supply. Just ride the wave down. Just ride the wave. But overall, we are on the uptrend on the higher time frame. So like this is a huge uptrend. So I'm still mindful of that. But yeah, enough of Nas. I'm trading. I decided to trade SPY today, SPX, yes. But SPX is the Forex pair. hmm I want it to continue though. I'm confident that we're gonna make another low of day. And then the power we got from that, I love when we reject wick. Like, look at that. Got a like an inverted pin bar, and then engulfing bearish candle that follows after that. Come on now. Come on now. Off a open range breakout. But I but also the market loves to play games. So like we could just bounce right here and go back up and test it, grab this liquidity high. Like we could do that, but I'm straight. I know we about to break this low. I see this pattern all the time. But with that being said, I don't expect too much downside. I just expect at least a low of daybreak. Because we're still bullish on the higher time frame. We've been trending up for the past 2 days. See? And it really could pull back right here. Like where it's at now. So I expect that this is a level. I have a feeling that they're about to go up and test that level again. Yeah, exactly. They love to play them games, man. Same with Nas. We might just come in this area, then reject. Might play before we get to the low. I'm expecting Nas and SPX to both break their lows of day. And since SPX is closer to doing that and Nas isn't, that gives me more confidence. When Nas breaks his low, SPX is going to be a little bit further than when Nas breaks his low. hmm they do this. Like they'll get real close to the low, then they'll bounce it, and then they'll test like these minor levels up in here, and they'll give it to us. See this happen all the time. On the days where it's moving fast, like we just get a break, we get a break of a level, come back, retest, and then we just keep trying. I love those days, man. I expect the market to be on some bull crap right when we get near the low, and then break it. The market loves to do that. It loves to play with your emotions. And to be honest, this is why I sell into strength on a lot of my trades. Like I'll have a level, right, like somewhere down here, and I'm selling into strength like before we approach it, because sometimes the market gets close to it, we'll nick it 1 point and then go all the way up, like, or all the way down, depending on what direction I'm trading. I expect that. Now I don't like this could be a potential higher low. It might, but if we don't get selling up in here, it's not looking too good. Actually, probably was the bounce to go all the way back up. Sometimes it does that too. And from a liquidity standpoint, that's smart. You know what I'm saying? You know people are gonna sell this. So you know they're targeting the low. Yeah. So let's stop them halfway and then go take them out. Free liquidity for the market. Every strategy you use, you are a part of liquidity. I just want you to know that. There's no secret, none of that. You know what I'm saying? You're going to lose setups. Like you're gonna lose money. The market is going to manipulate you, whether you like it or not. See, I expected that. Some type of pull up into here and rejection. Like I expect that. They're not gonna just give you the lower they break just like that. Like that would be lovely, but unfortunately, that doesn't happen a lot. And then this could be a range, like I said, like they could have created a range. Yeah, we broke. This is the low of day. And then we come up to these highs and we start ranging. Like we could do that, but I'm prepared for both scenarios. And that's gonna be so cold if they actually bounce it right here and keep going up. That's gonna be so cold. Cause look at the structure. Look how slow they're doing it. Like you know what I'm saying? Like we got like I'm pretty sure this is choppy on the 1 minute. Like if we go to the 1 minute, it's gonna be like choppy. Just look at those wicks at the end of those exactly. Like up, down, up, a little bit down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Like if we chop up, bruh, like I'm a man, a slow chop too. It didn't give you just a bounce, just up. It ain't give you a slow chopping up. Them be the worst losses when I take those. Like you see it's moving up slow, which gives you a little bit more confidence to hold the trade. but it ends up chopping up slowly to take you out. Slow death stop out. I start calling that slow death stop out. And I actually expect Nas to come up here and grab these highs, a liquidity grab, and then go. But luckily, I did trade SPX because that's something I would have had to think about on that since we're coming up like that. And I usually have my stop loss like a little bit above the high or low, depending on where I'm trading from, just in case that happens. Because I understand the market, man. I understand it. And what I'm hoping for is a lot of times when we chop up like that, like when we chop up slow, we have wicks. We usually get like a big red candle. Like I love that. I love when that happens. We'll get like 3, 4, maybe 5, um, like indecision candles, and then out of nowhere, some volume comes through. Some manipulation comes through. Because best believe people are in buys right now too. Like people bought this, you know what I'm saying? And they're like, ooh, yeah, them folks are about to get stopped out. Yeah, I'm about to trade up into here. But look at the trend though. And we didn't break this low. Like if I'm gonna do that, we have to break a lower high. Like we have to. Or we have to bounce off some type of key level for me to trade like that. See, this actually might be the candle, but I don't know yet. Yeah, if this candle finishes strong, I'm pretty sure it's gonna bounce, but like it's bouncing now. But if this were to come all the way down here, I'm gonna have my answer. At least we got a red candle. That's a good sign. Let me extend this out more again. Got another long video. Then we even got a pattern right here. What pattern is this in the comments? I don't really, hey, to be honest, hey, I forgot some of the patterns. I haven't looked into patterns in years. I'm not even gonna cap. I don't follow that. Like, I don't base my trade off of a pattern. Like, bro, man, I believe those were given to us to crash out. I really do believe that. Like, ooh, we see a ascending triangle. I'm gonna take the break of it. Like, nah, man. I need all price action, key levels, reactions off of key levels. Hmm. Yeah, what Nas doing? Grabbing that high? Yep, Nas grabbed it. Liquidity grab. As expected, but it actually might go up. So. Yeah, I'm not liking this liquidity grab, and buyers immediately came in. I'm not liking that. I'm not liking this setup. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're going back up to high of day. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, that sucks. I gotta stick to it though. Created a range. We're yeah, man. Look at that. I wouldn't even be surprised if we come in to this level right here and then reject again. But yeah, this thing is screaming up. Like I have a strong feeling I'm gonna get stopped out. It's screaming and wants to go up. Ooh, look at it. I didn't see this. It's a 15-minute supply right. I mean, it's 15-minute demand or base candle right here. So, and it's uptrending on a higher time frame. So this makes a lot of sense for us to do this. Mm, mm. Gold did it. Gold was the play. Of course, gold was the play. Look at that. That's what I was expecting on on XVX. Gold did it. Mm-mm-mm. Man, yeah, it's about to stop me out. I lost that. We lost, y'all. We took an L. It's all good. Wait for the next setup. Liking this setup on as we just broke this demand. I mean, I'm liking this setup on as we just broke this supply. And if buyers can stay buying in this area, I don't mind taking a buy up, going up to this high, to high of day. Like, look at that. Got this level right here. We won't, as long as we don't break below. So you look at that. Cause yeah, and that could have been a look at that. You see that liquidity grab? I know it's people that hopped in that. And I might actually take this because we're rejecting this level. Like we're so close to this high. Come on now. Actually gonna take the break right there. Yeah, I'm in that. I'm in that. I'm taking a stab at it. Sir. Mm-mm. Yeah, I'm liking that. Ooh. And look what we got, y'all. A little demand inside of this little range we're in. Look, beautiful. That makes it even better. Yeah, I'm okay with taking this risk, man, because for us to do that, like, just really think about that. We come break these lows, we come here, reject a little bit, and nope, create a higher low, and then we come up, and then, like, yeah, bro, I see this time and time again. I knew it. And best believe it's some poor people, man. They still holding on to the shorts. Praying, wishing and praying that it will come back, come back down. Oh man, I remember those days. I used to do that. I used to do that too. I'm guilty of that too. Holding on to a trade. Come on, baby, please come back. Please. Don't keep going in the opposite direction. The whole time, my liquidity was grabbed. But you see where I'm at now with it? I spot the manipulation. Yes, it closed as a wick. Love that. Beautiful. Mm-mm. And I got in at the very start. Like, come on, man. It don't get no better than that. Hmm. And it's funny because even on the 1 minute, this was a liquidity grab. It grabbed liquidity into a demand and we bounced. Come on, bro. But one thing I don't like about this demand zone, it's in between. It's in a range. You see what I'm saying? Like, that's one thing I don't like about it. But yeah, I forgot to show y'all that I'm in. Got to show y'all that. We continue to wait. Yeah, I'm gonna get out at this high. I'm very confident that we're gonna make new highs, like overall. But I want to, like I said, I want to sell in the strength. Cause look at the higher time frame. Like, look at this, man. And we got a supply right there. Come on, bro. Let me just duplicate it. Hold it. Duplicate this. Clone it. Mm-mm-mm. Yes, Trump. Bring back the bull market, man. I'd rather take the bull market over what we just had. And then y'all know what gives me more confidence? We already tested this supply. And comment what you think I'm about to say. What happens when we come into a already tested supply or demand? Bingo, I hope you answered that correctly. It gets weaker. Beautiful. Beautiful. Mm-mm-mm. And it's crazy. I usually take a loss before I win. That's why I limit myself to I give myself 3 trades. Really two. But like 3 is max. But like 2 trades a day, I try to keep it right there. The third one gotta be amazing. I mean, it gotta be like like, it has to be amazing. If I'm gonna take it. But I expect to pull back right here. I expect that. But hey, for us to do that, for us to fake these people out and come on now. Come on now. I gotta hold. This is the price action I love, man. You could see what it's doing. You could feel it. I love price action like this. But yeah, let me have my box right here. Have this high right here. Just mark it up for y'all. Now, like I said, I expect some bull crap right here. We're approaching the high. They're not gonna just give us the high. They're not gonna just come up in it and break it all the time. They're gonna get close to high of day. They might pull it back. Like, they gonna play around. I expect it. Like clear as day, bro. Like, we got pre-market highs up here. Come on, man. London session highs. Come on, bro. Yep, we broke the London session low. Still uptrending on the higher time frame. Come on, bro. It's a no-brainer. Yeah, that high is about to break. Broke the high. Beautiful. And like I said, y'all, I'm holding. Yeah, I'm risking that. I'm holding up until this supply. And see, I even expect some bull crap right. Oh, never mind. It ain't gonna give it to me though. Like I expect some bull crap, but hey, it just look like it's coming into it. hmm A little over 1 to 3. I'm gonna try my best to hold to the high, but like the exact high, I'm gonna try my best to. But I'm definitely gonna get it if I see something, some like some power coming in there. I'm getting out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm definitely holding to the high now. It's gonna break it. Now we at a little over 1 to 4. Okay, I'm gonna close one. Close one. Okay. Okay. I'm about to get out, y'all. Once we break that high, I'm out. Hmm. Hmm. Rejecting now. Yep. That's what I was talking about. I closed another one. All right, I'm out of that. I'm okay with that. Yep. I'm okay with that. So I got out right here. Yeah, because I don't want to risk it like flushing, even though I know it's gonna break. So yeah, look at that. 444 for my spiritual people. Hey. But yeah, man. We got a little over 1 to 4 today. We got that back after our loss. Beautiful, bruh. Beautiful. Now I'm about to go enjoy my day. Mm-mm-mm. I'm gonna put my results up on the screen right here. See, look, now we're rejecting. You see what I'm saying? That's why I didn't want to hold to the exact break. I tried my best to, but since we did that, like since we got close to it, like they do that sometimes. They'll edge it, and then they'll the power come in and they'll drop it. But yeah, man, that's it for this video, bro. I made my loss back and some. If y'all want to catch these fire plays with me, I got a chat. Link is in the description. Man, I do this, bro. If you're a beginner, you seen it. You seen it, bro. Like you seen what I just did. I did it live for y'all, bro. I do this. This is what I do every day. So if you need help, I got you. The link is in the description. But with that, I'm out.